Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we learn how to replace the dollar symbol in a mathematical expression with one of the arithmetic operators, the plus, the minus, the times, or the divide. The goal is to determine if the equation can be valid with any of these replacements. In this problem, we are working with three numbers and trying to validate if replacing the dollar with an arithmetic operator makes the equation true. This function checks if replacing the dollar with one of the four operators results in a valid equation. Let's see how it works step by step. The function evaluates the equation with each arithmetic operator. If any evaluation returns true, the function concludes that the dollar symbol can be replaced with that operator. In this example, replacing the dollar with a plus results in an equation where 10 plus 25 is equal to 35. The program correctly returns true. Here, the dollar is replaced by a times, forming an equation where 10 times 25 is equal to 250. The function returns true. In this case, no operator makes the equation valid. Thus, the function returns false. The ES6 version uses an arrow function for concise code while retaining the same logic. To sum up, this program evaluates if a placeholder operator, dollar, can be replaced with a plus, a minus, a times, or a divide to make an equation valid. It's a simple and efficient way to solve this type of problem. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.